Hello everyone, I am Mohsin Ladaf and I explain you my topic stack and queue in data structure. Now we forward to the next slide, introduction. Introduction to data structure. What are data structures? A way to organize, manage and store data efficiently, essential for implementing algorithm and solving complex problem. Importance: data structure help with data processing, retrieval, and storage efficiency. Used extensively in software development, databases, artificial intelligence, etc. Types: linear like arrays, stack, queues, and non-linear like trees and graph. Next slide, we forward to the next slide. What is a stack? Definition of stack: a linear stack data structure following the last in first of LIFO principle. Think of it as a container where only the top element is accessible. Key characters: access is limited to the top element. Elements can only be added, pushed, or removed. Pop up from the top efficiently for the operations where the last item added need to be accessed first. We forward to the our next slide is stack application. Real life example of stack application is stack of plate or books. The last one added is the first removed. Common use cases in computing. Functions call in programming. Each function call is push onto the stack and the most recent call is complete first. Undo mechanism is in software. Each change stored as a stack entry allows backtracking to the last change. Next slide. What is queue? Definition of queue: a linear data structure follow the first in first out FIFO principle. Think of it as a line where the first element added is the first one to be removed. Key characters: access to the both ends. Elements are added at the rear and removed from the front. Suitable for the scenario where order of processing is important. Our next slide is a queue application. The real life example of queue: people waiting in at a bank or ticket counter. Common use cases in computing. CPU scheduling. In CPU scheduling, processes are handled in the order they arrive. Network handling. Packets are managing in queue to maintain flow and order. Print queue management. Print jobs are processed in orders received. Comparison of both stack versus queue. The main principle and main difference of queue and stack. Stack last in first out. The last added item is the first one removed. In queue, first in first out. FIFO. The first added item is the first one removed. Real world analogy. Stack: piling up books. Queue: waiting in line. So our next slide is advantages and disadvantages. In stack have some advantages. A simple to implement efficiently for a LIFO operations. Useful for certain algorithm. Example: recursion calls. Disadvantages: limited functionality. Not ideal for suitable where FIFO is required. Now queue. Queue have some advantages and disadvantages. In queue, ensure fairness useful in scheduling and task management. Disadvantages: operation may require shifting elements, which can be less efficiently in some implements. Now, finally, we forward to the conclusion of our topic. So, the conclusion is key takeaways stack and QR, foundation linear data structure in computer science. Stack flow LIFO while queue follow FIFO, each with unique application and strength. Why they matters? Mastering this concept prepare you for more complex data structure and algorithms. Now, end notes. Understanding the fundamental of stack and queues is ensure for efficiently problem solving problem programming. Now, thank you for watching my video and listening my video. If you have any query or doubt, you can let me know on a comment section. Thank you.